Good morning. Coming to you from the third deck of the Delta King, excuse me, ship, I guess. It is a full Saturday morning here. So technically this is the Delta then, right?
This is the Delta.
So, would it be the Sacramento Delta?
Yeah.
Very, very calm, crisp morning. We are headed to go get breakfast. Be still my heart. Look at that. Disney. Love it. Absolutely beautiful. I spy an upside down Mickey head. So we're waiting for our table. I'm just gonna check out all the different pictures and stuff that they got throughout the years.
I'm sneaking behind you. Don't let me photobomb.
Delta Queen of San Francisco. So that was Kiko, the original name.
2, maybe 3. We'll bring in there. I'll be right with you, folks.
And there's the captain. With the complimentary breakfast. It's a very limited menu, and this is what they offer. Limited menu, but good choices.
Yeah.
So we actually both got the Delta King omelet. I got the muffin and Kiko got the toast.
Is that parking? We have to pay. There's no parking lot here, so you have to pay at the structure. So we ended up paying $15 to get the car out. But the positive is that you get a breakfast included. So, you know, give or take.
So the food actually, it came out really quick. So we got our orange juice with emergency in it and our omelets. Came up stairs to the top deck to check it out. Very, very low. I still can't get over how low it is. It's a nice picture right there.
And your Joe's Crab Shack, we usually say that.
Yeah. Beautiful morning.
There is only for hotel guests, so you can.
Yeah, so this the bottom level is open to the public because the restaurant's open to the public. However, the upper levels are only for hotel guests. And that's where we had dinner last night, Joe's Crab Shack.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. No, stupid. Shake. Shake, 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 Sonora. Yeah, it's sparkly. It's sparkly as heck. You look like a Christmas tree.
I didn't realize on the back, it gives you the history of the Delta King. More than a hotel, the Delta King is a living memory. And that it is. I need to give you guys this experience of flushing the toilet this way. Of a top-loading water toilet. I don't know. So you pull it, and it sounds like it burps. And there you go. I've only seen these, we've only seen these in London. So that was interesting to come here and see it. Checking out of the hotel, I noticed that they have the front cart for the train, and it's on. So I had mentioned yesterday that they do like dinners and stuff on it. Let me go look and see if I can find something out. There it is. See, they got a line of people already waiting. And it might just be a train ride. Let's find out. So it's the Sacramento Southern Railroad Company. She's giving them the instructions because it's called, or it's a 1920 train, and it's the same upholstery and all that. They got open carts and closed carts. Ticket booth is down by the museum. It says right there, train tickets. Train tickets that way. So I was able to ask one of the workers, and it's about a 45-minute trip down, 45-minute trip back up. And it's just a quick little train ride. So I do know that they do at certain times of the year, like certain dinners and stuff. But that's like a specialty item. Might be something to do in the future. Morning! We got it just as we were leaving. Say hi to people. And they're off. I didn't get to record this yesterday. It was too dark. But this is like the original level. So we are passing through the historic city of Auburn, established in 1848. We came, we're in gold country, yeah. We came over here with the kids a few years ago.
The museum's up there.
Yeah, there's a lot of museums. That's the Capitol. Went to a museum and they did gold mining. Every time we drive down this way, I love and am always in awe of this rock formation. Just the way that they cut it to be able to create this highway.
Just look at the road, the highway with all the trees. I just love seeing that.
The highway with the trees along both sides. It's awesome.
Do you like seeing it like this?
I was just gonna say I like it more with snow.
Or
yeah,
like this?
I like it more with snow.
I kind of like it.
Well, I mean, it's different, you know.
It's different.
It does give it a different look each way, but
because this has color and white. It's just snow. It's just
right,
pretty, but it's just white.
Right now, there's color because it's fall. You know, in spring and summer, it's just green, which is nice. But
look at all them colors.
Look at this. It's beautiful. I mean, we're not in like Wyoming or Montana where there's like colors galore, which is absolutely breathtaking. I really that is on my bucket list. But it's a start. Snow. They are preparing for snow season and they're making their own snow.
Yeah.
Never seen that actually happen. It's kind of cool. You can hear it. The snowflakes are a-falling. Nice shot of the river.
Here he goes.
There it is. We are approaching Nevada.
We are entering
Nevada. Welcome to Nevada.
Nevada.
Welcome to Reno. Alright, so our first stop here in Reno is Reno Guns and Range. I'm gonna come and shoot a bunch of guns that we can't shoot in California. So, excited to do that. They have training rooms over here, and these are all the guns that you can shoot. So what's cool about this one, I'm assuming it's just because we're out of California, you can do rapid fire, so looking forward to doing that one. That's going to be a first for me. Will you hear that? Rapid fire. Only in the shooting range.
Put it on auto if you want. Yeah. I'm gonna go on first. grab the mag if you. I like grabbing right in here. Oh, right in here. Yeah, it's because it's more weapon for you to control. Woo! Say hello to my little friend.
So we just finished with the shooting range. What do you think?
First time shooting an MP5 fully automatic. I shot three rounds of 50 burst, fully automatic. So fun, and actually easier than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be a little more kind of scary almost. Once you do it, it's like an addiction. You want to do more. It is not cheap. If you're gonna come and shoot a fully automatic weapon, you shoot 50 rounds in what, 20 seconds?
Less.
And 50 rounds cost a little bit. So if you're looking to be on a budget, sorry, I don't want to do that. If you're looking to have a fun experience that we can't do in California,
Definitely recommend it.
recommend it and come do it.
Definitely.
And the experience was actually really good here at the Reno Guns and Range.
Yeah.
It was really good. People were helpful.
Very
we told
helpful.
them we never shot before. They have somebody bring everything out to you, show you how to do it, monitor you the whole time. Safe, 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 all around.
Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. 2 thumbs up.